Hey everyone, today I'll be showing you a video about a smart doorbell that I made using a Raspberry Pi. Basically what it does is detect someone at your doorstep, and once it does that, it'll shoot a video and save it to your Dropbox account. It'll also send you an email alert with some photos about the encounter, and then it will send you some text message alerts via Twilio. Now let's take a look at the hardware. So this is my smart doorbell setup. Basically what I have is a Raspberry Pi 4 right here, a Raspberry Pi camera right here, and I've attached it to a small shelving unit so that it's roughly high enough so that I can get a good view of my front doorstep. So let's go over my code now. Basically what I've named my Python script is smartdoorbellmasking.py. And going through the code now, up here we have all the libraries that I need for this code to run. And I've also included a small little comment. It might be easier for you if you do this to include the email and password that you use. If you remember it, that's fine. Also, here we've defined a function called mask image. Basically what it does is you're defining points of a polygon on an image to calibrate where you want your smart doorbell to detect any change in the screen. You're going to mask it and also create a smaller gray image so that the computer can process the image much faster. Here you're going to set a counter equal to 0. Basically what that's for is so that while it's going through the while loop, you can see how many times it's gone through the while loop. You're going to have a while loop that basically takes images of your front doorstep and kind of compare it between two images to see if there's any change happening. And you're basically going to keep going through the loop, and if your computer or your smart doorbell detects any change, you're going to print to the screen that the smart doorbell has detected someone or something at the door. And what it's going to do is it's going to save the video, convert it to an MP4 format, and it's going to save and write images to the file. It's going to be a gray and masked image. You're going to upload the video, and then you're going to send it to the email that you've specified. And these are all related to your file names. Basically, you're going to have the image and then the time that it was recorded at, so that you know exactly when and where this was happening. And as you keep going down, you're going to see that this is all using the SMTP service. Down here, once the email is delivered, you're going to add in your Twilio account details. You're going to have the account SID, and then your authorization token. This is necessary, and it's all unique to your own Twilio account, so make sure you have that ready. And finally, you're going to send the message from your unique phone number and to your actual phone number. I've had it blurred out here so that you can see mine and message me anything. And then after that, everything's done. You'll exit the while loop, and you're good to go. Basically, we're going to run the code, and then it's going to start the loop so that it's going to start taking images and start comparing them to see if there are any changes. And once it starts detecting any changes in the photos, it's going to start recording. So let's run the code. So you can see it's starting to take images, test0 and test1.jpg. It's going through the loop. It's not detecting any images. Now I'm going to start walking to my doorstep. So it senses someone is at the door. It's me, and it's going to start recording a 15-second video. And once it's done doing that, we'll send a notification saying that it's imported. So now it's sending everything. It's emailed and saved the video to Dropbox. So let's go over to my Dropbox account. And there it is. There's the video. So we can watch the video right here. So as you can see, it detected me in the video and started recording once I was right in front of my doorstep. Let's go to my email address right here. So it sent some pictures of who was at my doorstep, just me. And finally, this is the text message notification that you'll receive from Twilio.